Children of God, in ancient Jewish society, purity laws were very strict, especially concerning sickness and skin diseases like leprosy. Lepers were not only physically suffering, but socially isolated as well. They were forced to live outside communities and away from family members. When they approached people, they needed to shout, "Unclean, unclean," to warn others. Many believed sickness was connected with sin or divine punishment. Touching a leper also made a person ritually unclean according to the law. Because of this, lepers experienced loneliness, rejection, and shame every single day. Imagine the pain of being feared not only because of illness, but because people considered you spiritually dangerous. These laws tried to protect public order and ritual cleanliness, but many sick people slowly lost human dignity because of isolation.